Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're not getting call notifications when you are receiving calls on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the phone app. Select the three-dotted icon at the top right and then select settings. Underneath General, you want to select the voicemail button. And then under voicemail, select notifications. And make sure show notifications is turned on and that silent mode is not enabled. And you want to have default mode turned on. Vibration, you may want to enable that as well. And if you go underneath sound, you can go configure additional settings through there. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.